Okay, today folks, we're going to do a smoked stuffed mushroom with crab, brisket, smoked cream cheese, which we like the smoked cream cheese. If you want to see how to do that, go check out a video that we've got. You could use regular cream cheese, but we really like the smoked cream cheese. We're going to top it off with some cheese and some banana peppers at the end. Put a little Old Bay in there to get it all lined up. Let's rock and roll. First, what we're going to do is we're going to take our cream cheese. We just took it off smoker not too long ago. We're just going to put it in the bowl. We're going to take some of our crab. We're just going to spoon it in there, or fork it in there. I got a little plastic fork. We're going to fork in there what we think we want. Next, we're going to put on some of our leftover brisket. We chopped it up. We're just going to fork it in there. This is going to give you that barbecue flavor. Just put in what you think you're going to need. We can always add a little more if we need it. So put this over the side. This is what we've got. That's what it looks like in the bowl. We're going to come on here with a little bit of Old Bay. Probably about a teaspoon and a half. We're going to put in there. We're just going to mix it up. I'm going to go ahead and scoop in the rest of the crab. I think we're going to have enough binder to make that work. And then I'm going to go ahead and put in the rest of the brisket. I think that'll bind up well. We're going to taste it here just real quick, make sure it's got a good flavor, see if we need to add anything to it. The taste factor is really what you're looking for, so. That's very good. You can taste the Old Bay, the crab meat, the brisket, really, really good. We're gonna finish mixing this up. We're gonna put it in the refrigerator, keep it cool while we get the mushrooms ready. Okay, now we have our mushrooms out. We've got our filling in the refrigerator, keeping it cool. We're gonna take the mushrooms out. Just gonna take, these are baby portobellos, what I've got right here. It's a meaty mushroom. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pop the center out. We're gonna clean the gills out so that we'll have plenty of room in there for our filling when we do that. Okay, we're just gonna come over, we're gonna pop that. Put it over here in a bowl. We'll take a little pocket knife. We'll come around the inside. This into here. We'll take me a spoon, come around the inside, put it out good. And that's what we've got. Let me get the rest of these done off camera, then we'll start filling them. We'll go from there. Okay, we've got our baby portobellos cleaned out, got them ready to go. We're gonna take a little bit of our filling. We're gonna just push it down inside of there. Don't be afraid to put a lot on there. We're gonna have plenty. Put it on there good and thick. Okay, we have them stuffed. That's what we got right there, getting ready to go to the smoker. One more thing I want to do after looking at these is I think I want to go on with a little barbecue rub to enhance that brisket that we got in there. I'm gonna put some Heath Riles honey chipotle rub on there just to top off, to give it a little bit of crust on the top. We're just gonna put a little light on the top to give it a little bit of extra flavor. Okay, just a quick recap of what we've done so far is we had some mushrooms that we cleaned them out. We went ahead and made a mix out of our cream cheese. We had the crab meat, we had the brisket. We added all that together, mixed it in there, put it on top. I did top it off with some honey chipotle Heath Riles just to give it a little bit of texture. We're ready to go. Let's head to the smoker. Okay, we've got the mushrooms. They're out here, they're ready to go. We're putting them on a smoker. They're gonna take about another 30, 45 minutes to cook. About 10 minutes before they're done, we're gonna come out and put some peppers on them and some cheese on them. Let them finish up, crust up from there. So let's get them on the smoker. And get them ready to go. We'll see y'all a little bit. Okay, we're out here at the grill. We got about 10 minutes to go on our mushrooms. So what we're gonna do is we'll come out, we're gonna put some banana peppers on the top, and we're gonna put a little cheese on the top so it'll melt over it. Look at that. You could eat them right now, but we're gonna give it a little extra flavor. We'll put some come on here with a little bit of shredded pepper jack. We're going to put it on the top. Right there. We're going to give that a few minutes right there to melt up, and we're going to take them off. I'll see you in a couple minutes. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes since we put the cheese and the peppers on top of here. Oh, look at that. Ooh, look at them. Let's get them off here, get them on a plate. Look how soft and pliable those baby portobellos are. Okay, just a little recap on our mushrooms right here. We took some baby portobellos. We mixed up some cream cheese, some smoked cream cheese. We mixed up some brisket that we had. We mixed up some crab put in there. Put some Old Bay in it. We put some honey chipotle in it. We topped it with some banana peppers and some cheese. So let's dig into this and see what we've got. Okay, we got one off the plate. Put it over here on the board. Let's just cut down through that cheese. You'll make it hard to cut. Get down into everything. There's what we look like on the inside. You see the mushrooms cooked all the way through, nice and pliable. We got the stuffing that we put in there. Got the cheese. We got the pepper on top. Okay. You can taste the brisket. You can taste the crab. That honey chipotle gives it a little bit of a kick, which I really like. The mushroom is really sweet. Portobello's is probably the best meaty mushroom you can get out there. So y'all try this. Y'all go on and like and subscribe, and put a comment below if you do something a little bit different than I did, or if you like what I did. Just give me a comment, tell me what you think. Y'all come see us now here.